Hey, so let's start with something simple. Hold charcoal very lightly, don't press on it, don't go too dark, and just draw a simple sky. And right now I'm drawing simple sky, and that connects with water. And the difference between those two surfaces is the tone. Uh, it's important to you can't use color, so the only way you can identify the surface is by lighter or darker texture of it. I'm making water more and more visible, and you see it's already started to be clear of what's going to be on this, how the landscape going to look like. There's nothing complicated in there. I just divide the drawing by tone, by tonality of the surface. While I'm drawing, I'm kind of totally improvising right now and trying to decide what I want to draw. And for this I use charcoal pencil. I think it's the softest they got, and again, I don't press on it because if I draw something light, it's easy to remove it with eraser or tissue, but if I really press on it, it will become like a dirt, and it will kind of mess up the whole simple image that I try to draw right now. I already have some kind of idea of what I'm gonna draw, and I think it works pretty well. So I have sky, I have birds, I have tree, and let me work a little bit on the tree. And it's already clear what I want to say on this image, and it's pretty cool because it's literally just 3 minutes of drawing. So I just draw a little boat. I'm using Kneaded Eraser. The beauty of this type of eraser that again it just remove a layer of the charcoal surface. It doesn't create this like a garbage on your paper, and it's very easy to work with it. So here is my boat. And I have a tree, I have a sea, I have the sky, I have a bird, and I have a boat. So this is more or less the main process of charcoal drawing. Of course, depending on the theme, it's gonna be easier or more complicated. But I don't think it's there's anything easier than that, because I basically create the idea of landscape, and I can work with it a little bit more. I honestly don't want to because I just want to show how the tool of willow charcoal works. I really love this tool because it's simple. So I think in general charcoal is really easy, and you can work with it on many levels, on many kind of, you can do it expressively, you can do it realistically, but the principle of layering your drawing and creating tones that will make a difference between objects in your drawing will remain the same, because that's how it works, that's how you perceive the image. And I think that's it. Just a final touch, and here's a quick sketch of the sea.